What is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel, Meakhernandez. Now today we got kind of a basic cleaning, but we're gonna do it with some household items. And those household items that I'm going to use are some Dawn dish soap. Now a lot of people out there say you don't want to use Dawn dish soap or you don't want to use dish soap to clean your kicks. But today I'm going to show you how you do it, how to do it right, and what is the proper steps to do it when you're using dishwashing soap. But let's go ahead and take a look at these Reeboks that I'm about to clean. Now, as we see, they are dirty. You know that bottom white piece of the shoe, that foam that you see right there on the midsole? To me, that's one of the hardest things to clean. I remember back in the day, I used to grab a pencil, you know, the pencil erasers, and I used to erase that part of the shoe off just to try to get it clean. But today, we're gonna go ahead and get that shoe looking brand spanking new. So let's go for the ride. guys, thanks for checking out my video. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe for the algorithm. And yeah, let me know what you guys thinking about them in the comments. All the products that I used are linked in the description below at no extra cost to you. A little kickback to me. All right, peace.